Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to use the WOT Web of Trust Chrome extension. WOT is a useful browser extension that help you check whether a website is safe, trustworthy, or potentially risky before you visit it. It shows website reputation rating based on security reports and user feedback. So let's get started. Firstly, open Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, you can search for WT or website of trust. Then click on Add to Chrome. Then add extension. Here you will see it is the officially WT web extension. Once the extension is installed, mark it as pin. Now open any website. Then click on the icon. Here you will see the browser is secure. Now you can click on the extension icon. You will see trusted website 3 star. We can search for any another website also like google.com. Here you will see it is trusted website 4.8 stars. Once services are tracking your activity, here you can easily see all the details of the website. And now we will visit any another website like Pinterest or any kind of website. Click on the extension. Here you will see Pinterest is 3.3 star rating website. With the help of this, you can see which website is risky or which website is safe to use. So that's how you can use the WT Chrome extension to check website safety and browse the internet more securely. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.